In this video, we'll be revealing the top 5 winning products for January 2024 that are guaranteed to sell like hotcakes. This video, I'm going to be showing you the ad that's currently going viral, the competitor's website, and where you can source this product. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's dive into the world of e-commerce. It's time to turn those online shopping habits into profits. Our next product is the Pepper and Salt Grinder. Revolutionize your culinary game by selling the Pepper and Salt Grinder, the ultimate kitchen essential. Say goodbye to bland meals and hello to a burst of flavor. This sleek gadget allows customers to grind fresh pepper and salt effortlessly, adjusting coarseness to their liking. Crafted from durable stainless steel and ceramic, it boasts a generous capacity for multiple meals. Easy to use and clean, this stylish grinder promises a whole new level of taste. Targeting cooking enthusiasts, the Pepper and Salt Grinder is the perfect gift for those who appreciate the art of flavorful cuisine. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 38K likes, 11K comments, 2K share. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for Pepper and Salt Grinder is just under $9.99, whereas the product cost is only $4.32. So you're looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the Smart Cordless Mite Remover. Introducing the Smart Cordless Mite Remover, a revolutionary solution for a cleaner, healthier living space. The sub-WDK bed vacuum employs powerful ultraviolet rays, achieving a remarkable 99% sterilization rate, eliminating mites, dust, and allergens. Its triple filtration system ensures thorough cleaning, from cyclone dust removal to HEPA filtering and high-quality sponge protection. This handheld cordless vacuum is versatile, ideal for beds, pillows, mattresses, sofas, blankets, and even clothing dolls. With an innovative wireless design and 1-hour battery life, it offers unparalleled convenience. Easy to disassemble and clean, this Mites Cleaner machine is a must-have for those prioritizing cleanliness and health. Targeted audience for ads. Individuals seeking an efficient, wireless solution for mite removal, emphasizing health-conscious homemakers and allergy sufferers. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 93 likes, 13 comments, 1 share. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for Smart Cordless Mite Remover is just under $49.95, whereas the product cost is only $19.53. So you are looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the Ducky Night Light Lamp. Introducing the Ducky Night Light Lamp, a charming blend of practicality and playfulness. Crafted from high-quality food-grade silicone, this nightlight is not only a bedside essential, but also an adorable toy. Its resilient design, resistant to water and drops, ensures peace of mind even if it takes a tumble. With a cute duck shape and warm light, it doubles as a multi-purpose phone stand, offering both entertainment and functionality. Adjustable brightness levels cater to personal preferences, while the soft, rechargeable light source promotes comfort and relaxation. Ideal for various settings, the Ducky Night Light Lamp, made from safe materials, appeals to a wide audience including parents, children, and gadget enthusiasts. Targeted audience. Parents, children, and gadget enthusiasts seeking a versatile and charming nightlight experience. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 877 likes, 74 comments, 92 share. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for Ducky Nightlight is just under $27.99, whereas the product cost is only $2.98, so you are looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the Summer Cooling Air Blanket. Introducing the Summer Cooling Air Blanket, the ultimate solution for hot summer nights. Say goodbye to sweaty discomfort and welcome a revolution in sleep technology. This blanket utilizes advanced cooling mechanisms, maintaining a comfortable temperature without compromising on plush coziness. Crafted from breathable, lightweight materials, it prevents overheating while providing a luxuriously soft touch. Conveniently adjustable with modes like fan, breeze, or chill, this energy-efficient blanket ensures restful sleep while saving on electricity bills. Don't let summer heat affect your sleep quality. Invest in the Summer Cooling Air Blanket for a refreshing and relaxing night's sleep. Targeted audience. Individuals seeking relief from summer heat, prioritizing both comfort and energy efficiency. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 6K likes to 5K comments, 1K share. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for summer cooling air blanket is just under $79.99, whereas the product cost is only $14.08. So you're looking at a good profit margin. Thanks for watching.